Can we bring the lights down a little more, please? So they don't reflect on the screen.
Wilder, mira. Wow. Holy
It stopped,
shit.
and then it moves. Do you see it?
Wow. Oh.
Now you can see the object coming here. Look the reflection in the clouds here. That's very important. And then it's going to turn. It's going behind the mountain. Now it's going to go up. I have shown you many times this in El Popo, but this is a very clear video. Now this object stops there, then it's going to move there, and then you can see it inside the cloud coming. Look the reflection in the clouds here, and then moving.